Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. We're back again with this 2013 Volvo XC60. This is a D5R design. It's a 215 bhp model, finished in ice white. It's done 80,000 miles. Full Volvo history to 2023. Independently serviced after that. I do believe there's 10 services with it. Fantastic car, really nice spec. Rides on the 18-inch alloys. It's got 4 recent Pirelli Scorpion tyres. It's got the privacy glass, the folding mirrors, the power tailgate. Very clean and tidy throughout. It's got a brand new tow bar fitted. It's got rear parking sensors. I'll just show you that. Never been used, look. Really clean car. Drives incredibly well. It's lovely. It's got some nice optional extras on this one. About 4.5 grand's worth of extras from new, which includes the power tailgate. All nice and clean in the boot with your load cover. No nasty smells, no signs of big hairy dogs or anything like that. Just check if this one's got a spare. No, you've got your run flat kit there. Got LED rear lights. It's not shook because I dropped the mat. It's got the off black R design interior with the ISOFX and the centre armrest. Good privacy glass here with electric windows, obviously. Just shut this boot. I left this mat in the way. Very professional, Ed. There we go. Let's try that. Ta-da! Back to the car inside. Front seats are excellent. Minimal wear to the driver's seat. The front seats are heated. And we have got a driver's memory seat. You've got your folding mirrors. Auto lights and wipers. Power fold headrests. And the mileage on the vehicle is 80043, so 80,043 miles. And I'll just start it so you can see there's no warnings. There you go, we've got 3/4 of a tank of diesel in it, no warnings, all very good. Got your cruise control and your audio controls on the steering wheel just there, look. We've got a DAB radio, your navigation. There you go, look. We've also got the media pack with the Bluetooth audio, USB, iPod, etc. We've got equalizer on this one, which I believe means it's got high performance sound. Somewhere. Come on, Ed. Audio settings. There we go. So it's not the base model. As I mentioned, we've got heated seats, as you can see there. We've got dual climate control, ice cold aircon. Got holders. USB auxiliary input in there. And that is about it. Properly maintained and cared for example. Not been abused. Not lived on a farm. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We get booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.